Hey guys, Chris with Systainer USA. We have finally gotten around to making the Sysgen 3 version of the SysMFT. We've now updated it to include the generation that has the integrated rails. So of course it can be docked in the bot system, quick and easy access to get in and out. This is an MDF top that is integrated directly into the lid of the Systainer. It does have an integrated V-groove in the top, which this allows us to clamp round stock, a dowel rod, handrail, could be a piece of conduit. I can clamp it on here, cut it. Also have this black strip. So this is an anti-slip strip that if I were, for example, clamping a 2x4 or a piece of flat stock, put it on here, clamp it down, and that's going to keep it from moving around. In addition to that, instead of having a handle, there is a place for your hand, so you can reach in here and grab, pick it up, and move it. This works great on top of a stack on the job site for doing quick, small tasks. This will be available in both the light gray and anthracite version. It is an M112 Systainer, but the lid, of course, could be transferred to any M footprint Systainer. Check it out at systainer.store.